After relaxation, stand up. Stula Vyayam, loosening exercise. First eye exercise. Look straight. Slowly bring your eyes towards left side. Slowly turn to left. Bring it normal position. Right side. Come to the normal position. Left, straight, right, straight, left, straight, right, straight. Next, up and down, down, straight, up, straight, down, straight, up, straight, down, straight, up, straight. Close your eyes. Rub with both hands. Keep your palms on your eyes. Massage your eyes. Open your eyes. The next one, neck exercise. Slowly turn your head towards your left side. Left, without any stress or strain. Come to the normal position. Towards right side, without any exertion, without moving your shoulder. Come to the normal position. Left, straight, right, straight, left, straight, right, straight, up and down, down, try to touch your chin on the chest, straight, normal position, up, slowly bring your head back, drop your head back, that means you can feel stretch on the neck. Come to the normal position, down, straight, up, easy, without any stress. Don't give more strain to your neck muscles. Straight, down, straight, up, straight. Next one, shoulder exercise. Fold your elbow and keep your palms on the shoulder. Slowly inhale and up, exhale and down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, hands down. Legs together, keep your palms by the side of your thighs and fold your elbow, keep your fingers on the shoulder. Stretch your elbow sidewise. Inhale, elbow up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Hands down. Keep your palms by the side of your thighs. Exhale for wrist. Stretch your hands forward up to shoulder level. Fold your thumb and forefingers. Slowly bend your wrist down, up, down, up, down, up. Open your fingers. Slowly bring your palms very close to the thighs. Legs together. Keep your palms by the side of your thighs. Hand stretching exercise. Inhale, stretch your hands sidewise. Palm facing opposite direction. Exhale through sides. Inhale, stretch your hands up, palms facing opposite direction. Exhale. Inhale. Keep your arms very close to the ear. Exhale. Legs apart, around 2 to 3 feet apart. Always keep your feet parallel. Keep your palms on the waistline, 4 fingers forward, thumb back. Always elbow pointing sidewise. Inhale. Exhale and bend sidewise towards left side. Elbow pointing side. Inhale, come to the normal position. Exhale, bend sidewise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale without giving any stress or strain to the neck. Inhale. Exhale. Knees straight. Inhale. Exhale without bending knees, bend sidewise. Inhale. Legs together. Hands down. Legs apart, around 2 to 3 feet apart. Keep your hands on the waist. 4 fingers forward, thumb back. Turn to left with inhalation. Inhale. Turn your shoulder around 90 degrees. Look back. Exhale. Turn to right side. Inhale. Look back. Exhale. Inhale. Turn to left side. Turn your shoulder. Look back. Exhale. Inhale. Turn. Look back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Legs together. Hands down. Next, practice of Padmasana. Sit down. Legs touch forward. Fold your left leg and keep it on the right thigh. Catch your left ankle with your left hand. Then bring it on the thigh. Stretch it forward. Keep it on the floor. Change your leg. Fold your right leg and keep it on the left thigh. Slowly bring it back come to the normal position. Again, fold your left leg. Slowly touch your left knee on the floor. Bring it down. Again, down. Stretch it forward. Change your leg, right leg, fold it and keep it on the left thigh. Slowly bring your knee down and up. Slowly stretch it forward. Practice for Vajrasana. Fold your left leg. Keep it back side. Knees together. Stretch it forward. Fold your right leg and fold it and keep it back side. Straight. Again, fold your left leg. Catch your ankle. Fold at knee. Stretch it forward. Fold your right leg at knee. Keep it back side. Stretch it forward. Fold your left leg. Always keep your left foot very close to the buttocks. Stretch it forward. Fold your right leg. Stretch it forward. Relaxation. Keep your both hands back, fingers pointing backward, then legs apart. Relax your head. Normal breathing. This is the scientific order of practice. If you are practicing in this order, it helps to increase flexibility, strength, and concentration. All of you must practice all these exercises, each side 5 times continuously for 3 weeks.